God created the woman last in the Genesis account for a profound purpose. After forming the man, Adam, and giving him the responsibility of tending the Garden of Eden, God observed that it is not good that the man should be alone. Genesis 2:18. Although all the creatures had already been created, none was suitable to be Adam's companion. It was then that God decided to do something special. He created woman not from the dust of the ground, as he created man, but from a rib of Adam. This not only symbolizes that the woman is equal in value and dignity, but also that she is meant to be next to him, not below him or above him, but next to him. God said, "I will make a helper fit for him." Genesis 2:18. This indicates that woman was created for a unique and special purpose. By completing the divine work by creating her last, God showed that creation was incomplete without her, highlighting her importance as a companion, support, and fundamental purpose. She was a part of humanity.